What's up, everybody? Just posted a video about discussing this hydrogen generator. If you guys are interested, I also have this propane cannon I built back in the day. I could definitely reuse this to make it a lot better. Hooks up propane and a propane can or oxygen. Yeah, shoots potatoes, potato cannon, shoots all kinds of stuff, whatever you want it to shoot. Someday, if you guys are interested, I could use this hydrogen generator to power it. See what that does. Hopefully it doesn't make a bomb or anything, but anyway. Yeah, let me know. Power this with other stuff. Yeah.